on the wrong side of the fabric. It's a friction pin, so it'll wash out. Right sides. Three-eighths-inch seam. You're going to clip the back pocket right on the back seam right under the pocket. Then you're going to press open your side seams like so, and then you're going to take it and you're going to pull these front pieces you'll have it like this and everything will be pressed open. You're going to take the pocket pieces and you're going to press them towards the front and baste right across these top of the pockets. Just put a basting stitch in there and then it'll be held down when you put in the casing on the waist. You've got your pocket basted down toward the front. Next, you're going to baste on your open seams so that when you turn that casing down, that your elastic will go through it easier. I use this fusible web. It's clover and it works really well. You just iron it on there, peel the paper off and iron it back. It sticks those seams down. Just another tip and trick. And next you're gonna turn down 1.5 inches on the top and press it. And then that's where we're going to put our casing in. You're going to either turn 1/4 of an inch under and press and sew your seam. You're going to leave an opening on the edge to insert your elastic. And then you're going to stitch 5/8 inch from the fold for your second one, because we're going to put 2 rows of elastic in here. And I'm going to go serge mine off on the edge instead of doing the 1/4 inch. I serged the edge of the waistband, and then I turned down and pressed 1 1/4 inch, and then run a little stitch along that serging there. You're going to leave an opening on the side seam, and then you're going to run 5/8 inch from the top fold and make another casing, because you're going to put 2 pieces of elastic through there. So I've got one attached through a bodkin, and you'll run it through the very top one first. And then you'll lap the ends of your elastic and sew them closed, and then you'll sew that seam closed. We're going to put a blind hem in our hem on our skirt, and I picked blind hem stitch on the sewing machine, and it had me get an R presser foot, and I've got that on. So I'm going to show you how to do this. You turn up your hem. This one called for 2 1/4. I serged my edges, and once you have your hem turned up, you want to press it real good. So I've got it pressed all the way around. And then what you're going to do is you're going to grab it like this and turn it under. And then we're going to sew that blind hem. We'll go on this side, and then it'll go over here and take a bite, and then it'll sew a few stitches, take a bite, and sew a few stitches. It's amazing, y'all. Okay, so you want to get it set. You can feel underneath that you've got it set right to where you pressed it. We're just going to start here. And I'm going to line up that fold right along this edge here. This foot has a little flange down on the bottom of it. See it? We're going to run that right along our fold. I'm going to start a little bit away from that seam. I'm going to lower my presser foot. Now you can kind of feel that hem under there, that it's all pressed right, so you know you've got it straight. You're just going to press this up, kind of press that down a little bit while you're sewing so it doesn't take too big of a bite. After you've sewed just a little ways, you want to make sure that's catching. See it? So you want to press that fold up in there good. You can see the stitch on the other side. And then we'll show you our stitches. It looks like it's taken too big of a bite there at first. So we're going to back off a little bit, not press so much up under there. You might want to pin it. Oh, that's looking much better, see? How that's doing? Sweet. Couple of spots it didn't catch though, so I'm gonna go try to keep an eye on it better.